Welcome back. During this Women's History Month, we are celebrating trailblazing women in East Texas who continue to make a difference. We all need someone in life who believes in us and pushes us to be the best version of ourselves. And for so many over at the UT Tyler School of Nursing, that person has been Dr. Barbara Haas. As CBS 19's Will Riddell reports, she's dedicated her life to serving her students and faculty, and she's always thinking about how her team can take better care of East Texans.
You know, I don't know a time that I didn't want to be a nurse.
In a world where women can become anything they set their minds to, for Dr. Barbara Haas, the dean of the School of Nursing at UT Tyler, the answer was always clear.
I have a picture of when I was 4 years old, and I had my little nurse's cap on, a little cape, and I truly don't remember wanting to do anything else. I think I played around with the idea of doing something else once or twice, but I always came back to nursing.
The decision to continue down that path led Dr. Haas to the UT Tyler School of Nursing, which is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. She's been with the nursing school for over 30 years, meaning she's mentored countless students and even a couple colleagues like fellow nursing instructor Teresa Griffin.
My first memory of Dr. Haas was when she came to the hospital to check me off and make sure I knew that I was doing good patient care. And I was going to get my pills out for the patient, and she said, "And what are you giving that medication for?"
A lesson she's kept throughout her career.
I don't do things nowadays without understanding why.
When a younger Dr. Melinda Herman started teaching at the school, she felt out of her comfort zone and needed support. Dr. Haas was right there.
She just sees potential, and she sees strengths and gifts. She instilled confidence in me that I didn't even know that I had.
With Dr. Haas serving in various leadership roles over the years, the UT Tyler School of Nursing has continued to grow, always looking to address community needs such as mental health.
We did add a psychiatric mental health nurse practitioner program a few years ago. Every time we start a program, we don't just pull it out of the air. We do it because of the need, because our community has said to us, we need help.
You feel like when you walk in a room, she cares about you. She's very encouraging.
Both Griffin and Dr. Hermans call Dr. Haas a visionary, always finding new ways to train future caregivers.
She's been able to bring all these new programs to the East Texas area.
Dr. Haas is the lead behind bringing much-needed programs like acute care nurse practitioner, flight transport, and a new CRNA program, just to name a few. But even as she plans for the future, Dr. Haas never loses sight of why she started, to help others. Just ask one former student.
And she always just has that perfect word to say to you, to encourage you, that hits you right where you need to be hit at the time she says it. So, okay, I can't talk anymore. I'm getting teary.
Reporting in Tyler, Will Riddell, CBS 19.